Hi guys, I'm making chicken kebab today. So for chicken kebabs, you need ground chicken. This is approximately 3 pounds. You need any pepper. You can use green, red, yellow. I have yellow, so I've taken yellow. You need 1 egg. You need some garlic, some ginger, 1 onion, some green chili, and some coriander. For this cabbage, it's optional, but I really like the crunchy flavor of cabbage, so I like to chop them and put it in my chicken kebabs. I also add spinach, baby spinach leaves, but I don't have it right now, so I'm not putting them in. But it's a very healthy option because sometimes we skip eating greens, and if you put it in your kebabs, you are having all the veggies and greens together, and it tastes so good. And this is a really good appetizer. If somebody come to your house and you don't have anything, just make this kebab mixture, put them in the freezer, and you can always just take them out, make small cubes like this size, take them out, just saute them a little bit on a pan, and it's ready. And you can also have it with some salad. If you don't feel like cooking for dinner, just eat this kebab with salad or rice. So now I'm gonna chop everything and add all the chopped veggies in this bowl. Here you go guys, my chopping is done. Garlic, ginger, green chilies, onion, cabbage, yellow pepper, and egg. So let's put everything in our grounded chicken. So first I'm gonna add this egg into the bowl. Egg, here goes the egg. Now goes some extra virgin olive oil. Go. Everything down below. Mix everything nicely. In the end, we're gonna put all the spices in it. See how colorful and green it looks? Its taste also so good. It's very easy to make, not a big hassle. Just mix them nicely so that you can make a small balls of it. So I'm gonna add now salt in it. 2 big spoon of salt because it's almost 3 pounds. And then we have veggies also inside it. 1 big spoon, 1 big spoon chili powder. We already have green chili, so see how much spicy you want. Don't put more. Now I'm gonna add some coriander powder. Some garam masala. Now in the end, I'm gonna add this MDH meat masala. It's really bring out the flavor of your chicken kebab very well. So do put this one. If you don't have it, then just garam masala is fine. I would prefer putting this. See how colorful this look? Now we have to mix all of that. How your mixture will look like. I'm gonna put some oil in both my hands. Take the mixture, tap it like this, make a flat chicken patty like this. Put here in the plate. 2 more. This is gonna be the best chicken kebabs you would have ever tasted. Do try this recipe. It's very easy to make and very tasty. When kids can eat it. This is how you just do your plating, and then we're gonna put them in microwave. Yes, in microwave, not on the pan. And we're gonna cook them in microwave. There we go. Sorry. Go at it. 2 minutes. Depend on how fast your microwave is. Mine 2 minutes is fine. After putting them in microwave for 2 minutes, they are almost ready. Some people can eat it like this, but I would prefer if you can just saute a little bit in a pan. Put a little bit oil in the pan. Put a little bit olive oil. There we go. When the oil is hot, you don't have to do much because they are already cooked. Just have to bring a brown crispy layer on both sides, and then it's ready to serve. So I'm gonna add them. And your yummy chicken kebabs are ready. It's healthy and tasty. Very easy to make. You can see it's a little bit golden brown. That's what you're looking for. Chicken kebabs are ready, and I'm just gonna do my plating now. You see this texture? Really pretty. It smells so good. You try this recipe. It's very easy, but it's really delicious. And you can serve it with drinks. If you take drinks, you can serve it as an appetizer. I'm gonna do my plating now. There we go. There we go, guys. It's really easy and very delicious. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my videos. Thank you. Bye.